So in Facebook, so I'm just going to do a new posting. We require VCC India. They require sales support representative. So I'm going to post this today in Facebook. So the company name is. So we are not going to post a company name. We all know, right? So I'm just going to delete this. So hiring for sales support representative. So the description is provide sales advice to help customers sign up for IPTV, internet and VoIP services by clearly describing the vMedia value proposition. So I've mentioned the job description: develop a strong understanding, possess strong service mindset. And again, what is the candidate profile? What needs to be there? They've just bolded it. So what needs to be there is excellent verbal and communication skills, English, graduates with at least 1 year of professional experience. Professional can apply. Professional attitude. So that basic knowledge about computers and internet browsing. So the very important thing is it's a night shift. Cab facility is available. Always available both ways. So I'm just going to, because this is an immediate requirement. So I've just given my contact number and one more person, Vamsi. Nine double zero. So I've just given both of those because this is an immediate requirement. So this is also necessary. Knowledge about computers, internet browsing. So this is how we post it. www.highsplacements.com, free job portal and placement services. So hope we have included everything. So here one thing is missing. Salary. Salary is for freshers and for experienced based on current salary. So actually it is 2.3. So 2,30,000 for freshers and for experience based on the current salary, they will give it. So this is the post, this is the immediate requirement. So I'm just posting it today. So you can see we've already posted it. So today also, like yesterday, we are going to join so many groups. Telesales jobs. So there are so jobs in Hyderabad because it is in Hyderabad only, right? So telesales jobs in Hyderabad. There are so many groups here when you can see. Job seekers, India. This is also one type. So here he can see that Ahmedabad, India, Hyderabad, Allahabad, all these. We are just joining the group. So as we know that how much our jobs we, how much our groups we join, that many we can, the job seekers can view our postings. Here see 1 lakh telecalling, telemarketing, telesales jobs. So this is also one of the group we are going to join today. So many are there. So I'm just joining the second group. Jobs for freshers, see how many are there. So anyway, location we have mentioned, so we can join as much groups as we can. So we have posted a request here, job opportunity. This is the fourth group. Jobs in India, job seekers, job seekers. So you can see this is also one of the group. You're joining it again. So again, Hyderabad job seekers. So we have already joined. We can see anyone, any Hyderabad jobs. You can post it as like some telecaller jobs in Hyderabad. Telecaller jobs in Hyderabad, because we have posted this posting for voice process. So we will have so many groups like see telecaller jobs in Hyderabad, telecaller jobs in Hyderabad, BPO and telecalling. So see, this is actually not a group, but still, if we just like this page, we will get so many postings what even we have posted here also. So even our posting also will be viewed here, telecaller jobs. See how many of them, most of them have liked the page for hiring for front office representative. Likewise, ours also will get posted in this. Jobs for freshers in Hyderabad. See, one more thing. We have just joined the sixth group. Just go back. There are so many groups are there. So here you can see daily job updates. See, like if whatever we updated daily, that will also be get posted here. So let us also join this kind of a group, daily job updates. So daily new job updates, whatever new they are updating, that is also updated here. So I have just joined the daily job updates. One more thing is the job portal, freshers jobs, job provider. See, we are a job provider here. So why you want to join this group is because we are not a job seeker. So we are a job provider. That's the reason we have already posted it. So when the question is asked in the job portal, we have just posted as job provider. And I agree to the job rules. So I'm just submitting it. Anyway, our postings will be there. Freshers jobs, jobs, almost 9 we have posted today. So here, are you recruiting? Yes, we have just mentioned it as yes, we are recruiting. Job list here is own risk. Yes, submit, just submit. So we have just joined the group, almost 10 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 11 groups we have joined today. So almost 11 groups, that means thousands and thousands of people can view our job update, whatever we have posted here for sales representative. We have done this in Facebook.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yeah, tell me, who's this?
Ma'am, I'm Vamsi, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Can you share the job posting in Zoom chat, ma'am?
Okay, you want me to show the job posting like JD?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute.
And please explain what are the mandatory fields to put on the JD. That
See, have
like
posted here in Facebook, no? 1 minute, I'll show you. Can you see this? This was posted yesterday. say when you go into this, you can view see. Vamsi, can you see this? Sales support representative.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the thing which you require. You would have heard about the company name VCC India. So for them, they require sales support representative. So that excellent communication should be there, and it's a night shift process, rotational. Cab facility will be provided, and the salary would be 2,30,000 for freshers and for experience based on the current salary. Then what is the qualification required and what is required? Everything is mentioned here. And your contact number also have mentioned, yours and mine. You're able to see?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So any doubts regarding postings and groups, joining groups? Guys, if you have any doubts, please tell me. So let's post even in LinkedIn also, because yesterday we have posted one for IT and for non-IT. Today I'm going to do a new one. So let me post. So I'm going to post a new today. Same which we have done in Facebook. So same sales representatives. I've posted even in LinkedIn also. Hiring for sales support representative. Same. I have done a post today now. So if you want to tag anyone, like your friends or anyone, you can also tag them so that he can refer some more friends. So today we have posted in sales representative, even in LinkedIn also. So if you want to see the postings or anything else, then you can just go to the home page. Anyway, we can see, or else you can just go into this. Whatever you have posted, you can view here. So today we have posted for sales representatives for a company, and we have added the contact number even in Facebook, and we have almost joined 11 to 12 groups in Facebook, and we have posted even in LinkedIn also. So likewise, we can spread our wings, like so many people can call us. So 180 and 2 non-ITs. Tomorrow we can just add something like in Instagram also. How do we post? Guys, if you have any doubts, please tell me. Any doubts, guys? Supriya, you're able to see? Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Shall I end the session? I'm just ending the session. Thank you so much.